Good morning, my dear lovely students. Welcome to the Shiksha Sanjogo program, Hattori Block. Students, all of us in our day-to-day life, we do hard work, and after the hard work, our mind and our body need some entertainment, isn't it? Yes. And in which way do we entertain ourselves? Can you see? How do you entertain yourself? Yes, some entertain themselves by watching the TV. In TV we used to see some of the dance, song, competitions, news, etc. Some of us entertain ourselves by reading books, reading newspapers, reading poems. But nowadays most of the people, the mode of entertainment is that mobile phone. Now mobile phone made specially the students mad. All the people, not only students, all the people, grown-up people also, they entertain themselves by the mode of mobile phone. Because in mobile phone we used to play games, we used to see the dance, we used to get some news, everything is available in mobile phone. So nowadays, especially the students are not interested play cricket or play in the field because they have the important thing mobile phone with them. Are you watching mobile? Are you using mobile at your home? Yes, you all are using mobile at your home. But one thing you can't imagine, when I was a child like you, the mode of entertainment was that listening the stories. I used to listen story from my grandpa and grandma. That was the best way of entertainment for myself. Because at that time mobile phone was not available, it was not there. So I was listening stories especially from my grandma. Why I am telling these things? Because today's topic is related to a storytelling, and the topic name is The Longest Story. What is the topic name? The Longest Story, lesson 6 and your page number 63. Longest story. So first I will read loudly for you. You listen to me, then only we will discuss about the topic. Once there was a king. The king had a beautiful daughter. The king loved to tell stories. His daughter loved to listen to stories. The princess grew up listening to stories from her father. One day, the king declared, "One who can tell the longest story lasting more than 10 days will marry my daughter. And if one fails, he will be my servant for the rest of his life." Storytelling expert came from far off places to tell the longest story and marry the princess. This is the loud reading, and now I will make you understand with a simple language. But today let me explain in English. I will explain in English, you listen again and again, you can understand, and some difficult word meaning I will give in Odia. Are you ready? Okay. Once there was a king. You have seen king, they have one crown on their head. The leader. Previous time, in ancient time, king was there. Nowadays ministers are there, but in the ancient time, king's time was there. So there was a king. The king had a beautiful daughter, very beautiful daughter. Who had? the king had a beautiful daughter. The king loved to tell stories. The king was very fond of telling stories. He used to tell stories. His daughter loved to listen the stories. His daughter, king's daughter, she was fond of listening the stories. That means the king used to say stories and his daughter used to listen the stories, and she was very fond of listening the stories. His daughter loved to listen stories. The princess grew up listening to stories from her father. The princess, that means the daughter of the king, is known as princess. The princess grew up from a small child, slowly. She grew up by listening the stories from her father. Every day she used to listen the story from her father. Likewise, day by day she used to grow up, a young lady. One day the king declared. What he declared? One who can tell the longest story lasting more than 10 days will marry my daughter. The king declared, one who can tell the longest story from my country, who will tell the longest story. That means the story will last for more than 10 days. That means the story will never end in 1 day or 2 days or 3 days or 9 days. It should be continued for 10 days. That is the longest story. So who can tell that story, a longest story, not less than 10 days, I will give my daughter to that person. That means I will marry my daughter to that storyteller. Who declared? The king declared. And if one fails, that means if one is unable to tell the story for 10 days, what will happen? He will be my servant for the rest of his life. If the person is unable to say the story less than 10 years, that means not less than, if it is unable to say the story for 10 days, what will happen? I will make him my servant for how many days? For the rest of his life. Rest of his entire life, that person will be my servant if he is unable. Storytelling expert came from far off places to tell the longest story and marry the princess. Storytelling expert, who are expert in storytelling, that storytelling expert came from far off places. From far off places they came. Why? Now because they wanted to marry the beautiful princess. So they came from the far off places and started their stories in order to get married to the beautiful princess. Okay, this is the paragraph number 1 and paragraph number 2 already finished, and remaining 2 paragraphs or 3 paragraphs are there. I will continue it in the next class. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.